Hi guys, how are you? It's me, Ellie. Sorry I've been absent for such a long time. I'm really excited. I love fall. Today I will be filming for you a fall tutorial. So now we're gonna get started with my foundation. As far as my foundation, I use the Lancome Teint Idol Ultra 20, I'm not sure. I use this one. I love this foundation. I'm using the Real Techniques sponge. Now, I've never purchased this. I just purchased this because I have a family member who suggested me this sponge. I always used to use the Beauty Blender. Now, I still do, but I just wanted to give this a try, and so far, I really like it. I mean, I thought it would feel strange with this flat side, but it works really well against your skin. You know, in the Beauty Blender you have like the rounded side. That works well too, but I'm pretty surprised about this sponge. So we're just gonna working and work this foundation out. Next I will be adding concealer. For now I use the NARS concealer, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now I add just a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. Okay, just like that. Looks pretty kind of. And on my chin, just like a little line. That's all I do. I don't really add any more. Then I start blending in again with the Real Technique sponge. This is a really creamy concealer. I mean, it works really well. can you see? I mean, it's like I kind of cover my eyelids a little bit with it. So I blend that out. And I blend this out also, just patting a little bit. And I mean, it kind of hides away my under eye. So it works pretty well. I love it. I like it. I like this concealer. Yeah, so that's my foundation and my concealer. For the past 2 years, I've been using the Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. I finished up the medium cocoa, and I only have the dark cocoa left, but I mean, you know, you try to skip some up a little with your brush. So that's for the hollows of my cheeks. Now I don't also forget the sides of my hairline. And a little under my neck. Now I'm going to add to the other side. For some reason it's hard for me to do my left side, like my arm just doesn't cooperate with my left side cheek. But try to make it work. It's that wrist. You gotta practice with that wrist. Under my chin, just whatever is left over on my brush. And then I just add a little bit on the tip, just to help contour a little. Make it seem like a slim nose when you just really added some dark powder. Okay, so this is all for my contour, and now I will be adding a little bit of the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Just this little tube. It's the original one. I don't use any glitter or whatever color. Just the original one. Now I add a little dab to my finger, not so much. Kind of warm it up between my two ring fingers and just dab it on my eye. My eyelid. Here, let me show you right here. Okay guys, for my eye color, I will be using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia eye palette. And I will be applying the color Raw Sienna on my entire eyelid. Remember to tap. Woo! Remember to tap. Woo! Just adding some color to my eyelid. Okay, now I'm going to add it onto my other eyelid. Here, let's add a little bit more on this one. Okay. And as my crease color, I'm just going to add the red ochre. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it's this color right here. The red ochre, I guess that's what it's called. Now I speak Spanish, so I want to pronounce it like I see it. Red ochre, but I'm pretty sure that's not how you say it. And I'm just gonna circle a little at the end and blend it inside my crease. Now onto the other eye. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm back. Why? Because my camera just died. Good thing I noticed, because if I didn't notice, then I would have recorded this whole thing and it would never have been recorded. But we're safe. So let's start where I left off. And I left off with applying the red ochre on my crease. So I'm just going back and defining it on the inside of my crease. On both eyelids, like that. Can you see? Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to be adding the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Intense Black. Now, I swear by this eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner you can ever have. I actually used this for my wedding. I think I said that last time. Did I? I don't remember. But I will be adding this on my eyelid. Whoop. Smudged a little bit. Uh-oh. Next, I will be going into my eyebrows. So, where is my brush? Okay, here we go. My best friend gave this to me, and it's just really neutral colors, like really pretty. A blush in the middle. And for my eyebrows, I will be using this color right here. So I just use like a small angled brush, and I pat it gently onto both sides. And I just start lining my eyebrow. You can start wherever you feel like it, whatever you feel most comfortable in. I just like starting from here. I feel like I have more control over how much I can apply. And then the rest, I just use it to cover the front part of my eyebrows. And I go back again and line a little thicker, just a little bit thicker. I go with my next eyebrow. So that's for my eyebrows. Okay. And now what I will be doing is I will be adding some blush. And I won't be using this blush. I will be using the NARS blush. It's the Oasis color. It's a little dirty. The Oasis color. We're just gonna add a bit on my cheeks. Oh, and you know what? I'm gonna add something else on my eyes. There. I think that's good. I'm going to get the color Primavera and add it to my inner eye just to pop up some color. I already added my eyeliner, but it's okay. You can go in and add just a little bit. See how that adds some shine on your eye? Makes you feel like, wake up, wake up. Just adding a little bit of color. Okay, what I will be applying next will be my mascara. I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna add some on my upper eyelashes. Okay, so we're just gonna add this onto our eyelashes. Now, you guys can comment down below if you have any fall traditions you guys follow, or, you know, any recipes. You know, I love to bake. I don't do it as often as I would love to, but when I do it, I love doing it. So if you have any suggestions that I can make for this fall, I would love some. So now we're gonna go into highlighter. I use the Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. So I will be adding the highlighter on my cheekbones and a little on the side of my forehead. Following the next cheekbone and the side of my forehead. I want to add a little bit more. Okay. And then a little on my nose. Kind of reflect that ringlet on my nose, can you see? And on my Cupid's bow. And just a tiny dab on the chin. There. Okay guys, now to complete this look, I will be using the MAC Media A64. It's just this really pretty dark plum color. I haven't used it much, but this is what it looks like. Now this is the color. I love it. It's like a dark plum color. Sorry for my hair. It's like a dark plum color. I think it just completely finishes a fall makeup look. And to top it off, I will be adding these earrings I just purchased at Target. And that's it, you guys. You know, just how to fix your hair a little bit. And that's it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, please comment down below and I will be happy to answer them. I hope to see you soon. I will be trying to film more often now. If you have any suggestions on what you would like for me to film for you, please let me know also. And I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.